Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix speaker not working problem on Edge 90 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on notifications. After click on notification, click on do not disturb. Turn off do not disturb, turn on do not disturb. Turn on or turn off do not disturb 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to again settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option and click on reset device setting, and after click on reset all setting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app. Just click and hold power button and volume up button, restart phone, and restart phone from here. After restart phone, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix speaker not working problem on Edge 90 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.